with me, let's say them slow. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica below. Asia is big and full of things, mountains, rivers, and dragon kings. India, China, Japan so bright, Asia shines in day and night. Africa has animals wild, lions roar and the sun is mild. Egypt has pyramids made of stone, Africa feels like a jungle zone. North America has snowy fun and deserts warm with lots of sun. Canada, Mexico, USA too, cities and forests, skies so blue. South America's green and bright, rainforests grow with birds in flight. Brazil, Chile, and mountains high, so much to see beneath the sky. Europe has castles and towers tall, lots of art and food for all. France, Spain, and Germany, with trains that go so speedily. Australia is far and wide, with kangaroos that jump and glide. One big country by the sea, a sunny place for you and me. Antarctica is full of snow, cold winds blow and penguins go. No towns here, but scientists stay to study ice all night and day. Asia, Africa, bold and fun, North and South America in the sun. Europe, Australia, full of glow, Antarctica is cold with snow.